Yeah. Okay, you can stop now.
Mommy, can you hold Axie?
It is waxy polish. Oh, wow. Yeah, Owen, go step in it.
Wait, kid.
Smells like vleugjes.
In my eye.
Wait.
Am I not supposed to be?
Wait, kid. Mommy, ice making me cough.
It's like food nush.
Yes.
That was nasty. Mommy, can you please hold Axie the whole entire time?
Oh, it's these things.
Those are the dumbest fireworks I've ever seen.
What do you mean?
Those little guys?
Yeah. Like, what's the point?
Really?
Next fireworks. Dad, don't light two at a time. No, it's fine. They're so good.
That was crazy.
Hold on, one is still going.
Daniel.
You can stop
Yeah, that
recording.
was crazy.
I hope this one now. It's like a waterfall.
Big deal.
A 0 out of 0.
Those boxes are crazy. Some of them are good and some of them are like that.
Yeah. Oh, get away. Oh. Never go back to an open fireworks. Morning, I just left recording this whole show. How about you go over there?
Mommy!
Are you stuff with my
Where's
dad?
Axie?
I recorded my whole
No,
show.
closer.
No, she's in my mom's room. Well, I don't want to do it. No, that was like
Oh,
the
those
research.
suck. Oh, okay. Oh.
Wait, how do you know? I checked yours. Like, right before that, I was on a reason, then I clicked it.
Noodle's dying to finish.
Yep.
I'm so sad. It's the first time I've
Lava.
They didn't have to talk about that. I'll look it up for you. What's that though? What the song? Or no, stop it.
Alex, yours were better yesterday.
Stop and chop, baby. Stop and
Move,
chop.
move.
Yeah. I said, well, I stop all the time. Can't say stop, stop, stop.
Oh, that's cute. I like that.
Just say, like, put on time.
Oh, look at that. Purple, pink. I like that one.
I don't want to see you in pain.
Manga! America! Play it again.
And alive. Oh, no.
We're America!
Oh, Bustle the
Make America great again!
Dad! Dad, next firework, we gotta move the big one.
Make America great
Because
again!
we don't want that one to accidentally light. Because that one's the last one.
That's all right if it does.
No, it's the last one. It's not alright, Dad. one.
Make America great again.
Dad!
Go over there and move it yourself.
I'm not getting over there.
Come on.
He already lit the dang things.
That was a small one that didn't get lit.
Ireland.
I just saw
Oh, wait, yeah, you're right.
on that.
Just it's missing the white.
All the way to heaven.
I want to put
I'm over there. The smoke's over there.
Yeah.
I'm over here. The smoke's over there.
Sam. Dad, move it, please.
Go before your dad lights it.
Oh, here's one more. What do you want?
I'm moving it. Oh. Because I don't want it to get lit.
Better run.
Oh, my God.
Great again.
I have these two screaming, make America great again.
It's already great.
Great again.
What?
It's already great.
For real, Trump for
Yeah.
life.
Bruh.
Are you serious?
What was that? Oh, my toothpick.
Hey, your mama. Wait.
I'm killing her. Exactly.
America great again.
And shit. Better pick up their shit right there.
Oh, my God.
I like that.
Yeah.
Nothing's gonna catch on fire.
That's Schmaltzman's one now. Yeah.
Portugal.
Oh, yeah, Portugal.
America great again.
Oh, Portugal.
With a cup.
For a World Cup?
Gold cup. Gold cup.
I was going to say World Cup next year.
If they win, they're the champions.
Who they playing?
Mexico.
Healing.
I zoomed in on the fireworks. Oh.
Yeah.
That was a good one. That was a good one. I gotta admit, that one was good.
Pistol Pete.
What?
That's the name of this one.
Oh,
Pistol Pete is trash.
what do you mean? This one. Watch it. What? Oh, I think you made it angry. I think you made it angry. Oh God, Jacob, I think you made it angry.
You are so
Hey, you made it angry. This man made it angry. Hey, sheep. Stop. This man made it angry. All right, let's see what this is.
You want to see this firework in the whole entire world?
Stop it. I'm actually recording, so please stop.
Beep, beep.
Okay, that one was sheep.
What was that land?
No. Jacob made
Yep.
it bad.
There were other cheap ones. That one wasn't too cheap. I like it.
No.
Keep! Keep!
Portugal.
Both of you are
It's
sheep!
gonna go pop, 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 pop,
Pedro
pop.
Morris. Sheep.
You got it! Look! America, but they will go there! America!
That one was good. Look at that man's face right there. That was good. Oh, it's the ruined two-in.
I don't know what that does.
Yeah, we don't know until we light it. Well, we did, but let's see.
Monkey.
What do you mean?
Haha.
Exactly. Exactly. Stop it.
I said you are cute.
What do you mean it doesn't make noise?
It's not going pop, pop, pop,
I said you
pop.
are cute.
That's baloney!
Yo, watch your body go pop, 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 pop.
No, it's actually very true.
See?
Pop, 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 pop.
And you said it wasn't. This lady said it wasn't.
Next year, we are not
Oh.
spending money on fireworks. We're gonna
Last
get
one.
kids free.
Last one. Wait, is there any more? Let's check.
Nope, they're all done. They're
Because
all
last year we missed one.
They're all
All
done.
right. It is the jam box. All right, the jam box. Final firework of the night. Let's see how this thing goes.
Go!
Back.
Yeah, everybody might want to step back for this one. Here it goes.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, stars. That was a minefield.
Wait, look at the boombox.
Oh.
Wait.
Wait, look.
Oh, it's on fire, it's on fire.
Oh, no.
No, it's alright, it's alright.
No,
Nothing
it looks
else.
like a
It's
jamming
all gone,
box.
It's all gone. It's all
But
gone.
it's still, look at the boombox.
Yeah, but that's just fire.
Step on it.
That's it.
Step on it.
Everybody! Hey, leave that alone.
Yeah, it
Leave
should be
that
done.
alone.
Let's go.
You guys can do sparkles.
No. No. Happy 4th, everybody. It's not happy 4th of July. Well, yes, but thank you all for watching the fireworks show. And so, yeah, as is always. No, I'm not. As is always, peace out, pros. One more thing.
John will not fit me, John.
Yes, we will.
I either go in naked or I go in fully clothed.
Oh, my God. Oh, my gosh. Go down.
And I don't even think they could fit in like the floaty.
What are you gonna do with those?
No, I should have helped.
Guys, we still have more.
Wanna do the sparkler?
Can I have one?
Oh, yep, we still have a couple more sparklers.
Hold on, let me get that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sparklers. No, this video is not sponsored. No, this video is not sponsored by anything. So, yeah. Let's just do this sparkler. Dad,
No.
Can you do it?
sparkler. Where's the sparkler? Sparkler. How do I like this?
The light up. Wait, hold on.
Where's the light?
I think
Oh,
I left,
God.
I left it over there. Look, right next to my coffee. Honey.
Where? Oh. Okay, can I have that?
Yeah, can you light mine too for me?
Sure. If I can.
Just touch mine with yours, okay? Then it'll make it so it like a touch it.
Yeah.
Can I just sort of take one of these and then remove everything inside of it?
Hey, Johnny, let me shout with the computer guy.
Yeah, and the sparkler is going. For America!
You want one? Kiki will do it.
Let's light the grass on fire. No, I'm joking.
John, there is nothing inside this.
What?
There's nothing.
Why'd you take it all off?
Because why not? In 3, 2, 1.
It made it even louder.
Owen.
Wait, can I have one?
That one.
All right.
Be careful.
This one has no line. Can I have one of those?
I want.
The poppers? No.
Yesterday when you drove away, you went.
You have only one.
And guys,
I heard it.
where's the string? Where's the string?
Bro, I guess it's popped already.
Watch out with your hands.
Oh, right here.
Where? Oh.
Can I have poppers? Huh? Can I have
Vamos, cajun. Papau.
What?
I'll trade you one of these for one of those. Oh, I have this one's unused.
Yes.
No, it's not. It's unused.
Give that to me.
Yeah, but it doesn't have a string.
What are these things?
Tia, that's how. It's flipped inside out.
Dad!
All right, guys. Guys,
One more firework.
this one is for America.
Oh.
Yo. Don't like you. Hey, this one is Jacob. This one is for America. Stop it.
Oi.
My God. Why? Why?
It's small.
Didn't scare me. We still have
These
some.
three together, ready?
We have three. Why all of them together, Dad?
Because it makes more of a sound.
No, it doesn't.
Yes,
It's just
ready?
bad, Dad.
I'm gonna light it up and throw it.
Oh my God.
Ready?
Okay.
See, throw.
Oh.
So that's how you start a forest fire.
Yeah, Dad.
Can I do it? Can I do it?
John, just title this one Forest Fire Tutorial.
No. I'm gonna get canceled.
Oh, how you?
No balls. Got it.
Damn. So thank you all for watching this video. Thank you for watching the fireworks show. If you made it to the end, then comment. Stop it, bro.
Trying to get you.
If you made it to the end, comment the heart emoji. So yeah, as is always, peace out, bros. This. What?
They're all in here. I have like 4 in there. They all come.
What the heck? There we go.
Guys, colorful.
And let's just.
Guys, colorful.
All right.
The West.